In this Vantage video, we will be looking at the highlighting and note-taking capabilities in Vantage. Vantage contains the entire content of the printed textbook, and just like a printed text, you can highlight and take notes on important topics.
So from the table of contents, let's click on Chapter 1.
I am reading section 1.1 in the text and find something I need to remember. Simply click and drag to highlight. If I want to annotate my highlight, click on the notepad icon and type in your note. And then save. Press F5 to refresh your screen, and the notes and highlights will show up on the right side of the screen. To delete a note or a highlight, simply press Delete button.
A pop-up appears to confirm your deletion.
Another helpful feature in Vantage is that you can download your highlights and notes for offline study. Click on Download, and a PDF of your notes opens in another tab. Save the PDF document to a place on your computer where you can easily find it. You can edit your notes in a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs.